Hi, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center, here with
Bill Bruff, owner of Bottom Line Bookkeeping and Tax, the author of the PTP, and still the editor every year as we update it.
Excellent. Well, Bill, I've got you here today because with your own tax practice, I think it's important to kind of share your history, your evolution of how you got involved into having a practice and servicing these clients. So share with everyone let's say your first 1 or 2 years. Why did you get started? How did you get started?
Well, to be honest, I actually was working for one of the large national chains, and I will not name them. But when people found out what I was doing for a living, they would approach me and ask me, hey, can you prepare my tax return? And to be honest, I was unhappy with the company I was working for. I thought they charged too much. And so I was looking to start my own business, and that's how I did it. I was just kind of an on-the-side thing for the first couple of years.
Now, as you were doing this, was it something you were pleased with? Was it helping you? Was it something you were glad you were doing?
Yeah, I enjoyed helping people, having good relations with people. It was, for the most part, friends and family members to begin with, but I did enjoy it. A little bit of extra money on the side. It was later on that it became a concept where I thought, you know what, I could make this my profession and not just a side job.
There you go. Now, let's remove ourselves a number of years. Here
Okay.
you are today. You've got your established practice. Here you are working for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
How's your life different? How's your life better?
Well, the number one thing, Roger, is that I don't have to fear being laid off. I am my own boss, and as long as I can find clients and keep them happy, I've got a job for life.
Well said. That's so true. There's a lot to be said for many, many clients. Losing one, you still got all the others. There's a lot to be said about going out and putting forth your time. You're going to work as hard, if not harder, for yourself as you would an employer anyways, right?
Well, and that's the other side of the coin is, yeah, I do have some freedom as my own boss, but I also have the obligation to work as hard as I have to keep my clients happy and make sure that their needs are being met. And that often means I'm working maybe more hours than I was when I was an employee somewhere else. But that's something that feels better when it's your own business. And particularly in my case, I feel that there's a real important attachment to my clients. I appreciate them. I want to do my best for them, and I step up to the task and try to make sure that their needs are being met, that they're satisfied with my service.
Very true. I can definitely say that as a business owner, as a president of a company, you have a lot more interest in the customer's value of what it is you're providing.
Yeah,
so that
exactly right.
says something. Now, the last thing is you obviously have your own practice. It has value. You've created something that has worth. I mean, literally, you could sell this.
Mm-hmm.
How does that make you feel?
Well, there's a feeling of accomplishment for sure, and it grows every year. My business just keeps getting bigger and bigger. In fact, this is going to be, the last tax season was the first tax season where I actually had more clients than I could handle myself, and I hired some people on a temporary basis, and that's going to continue going forward. So not only do I feel like I've got a job for myself, but now I'm providing jobs for others, and the business is growing. I can't, to be honest with you, I can't get the phone to stop ringing.
There you go. Well, look at it this way. It's the American dream, and I'm glad you're experiencing it. And more importantly, from our point of view, selfishly, I'm glad Universal has been part of it and has been able to help in one way or another. So I wish you the best.
Thank
and
you.
To the rest of you, have a wonderful, profitable tax year. And most importantly, remember, if it's about accounting, it is Universal.
Thanks.